Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews and today I'm reviewing the Sceptre 24-inch curved gaming monitor, and I think this is a great monitor. Uh, First, that I really like the curved display. It's a game changer for me personally. It immerses you right into the action of the game, making sure you catch every detail before your competitors do, which is pretty good. Um, every movement in this monitor is very smooth, and you really notice the instant frame transition, which can be the difference between win and loss actually in the games. So yeah, in conclusion, I can say that this gaming monitor is packed with the features for both casual and hardcore gamers, and this is a solid choice for everyone who is looking to elevate your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.